Some useful secret tips for mastering Jira software that can help users boost productivity, streamline workflows, and make the most out of Jira's powerful features. Secret number 1. Keyboard shortcuts for speed mastering. Keyboard shortcuts can drastically speed up your Jira navigation. Some of the most useful ones include C. Create a new issue. To create an issue in Jira, click Create on the top navigation bar. Select a project from the drop-down. Choose issue type, e.g., task, bug, story. Enter summary, brief title. Add description, details of the issue. Set priority, low, medium, high. Assign it to someone, optional. Add labels or attachments, optional. Click Create to save the issue. In Jira, you can use J and K keys to navigate through issues in a list. J. Move down to the next issue. K. Move up to the previous issue. These shortcuts allow you to quickly scroll through issues without using the mouse, making navigation faster and more efficient. Press E. Once the issue is selected, press E on your keyboard. This will open the issue in edit mode. Make your changes. Update any fields like the summary, description, priority, or assignee as needed. Save changes. After making the edits, click Update or Save to apply your changes. This allows for quick modifications without needing to fully open the issue in a separate window. Open the command palette to access most Jira functions. Focus on the search bar. Use GG to access the global search menu to quickly navigate through Jira 2. Cut to Jira interface with multiple issues selected. Secret number 2, Book Change. In the search results, click the checkbox next to the issues you want to modify. To select all issues in the current search, click the checkbox at the top left of the issue table. Start Bulk Change
option to update them all in seconds. Cut to a personalized Jira dashboard. Secret number 3, Custom Dashboard. Create custom dashboards for instant project insights. You can drag and drop gadgets to see the data that matters most, all in one view.